Welcome to Talking Straight. I'm Suresh Kochattil. On the 26th of December, a keenly awaited judgment was pronounced by Justice Vijay Sen Reddy of the Telangana High Court. At the crux of it was a question of a case being investigated by the Special Investigating Team of the Telangana Police constituted by the Government of Telangana to investigate the attempt allegedly made by a few individuals to entice 4 MLAs belonging to the Telangana Rashtra Samiti. A writ petition was filed by the Bharatiya Janata Party and all the accused in the case against the state of Telangana, demanding that the probe be handed over to the Central Bureau of Investigation, as the SIT was suspected to be functioning in a partisan manner. Legal luminaries appearing for the petitioners included Senior Counsel J. Prabhakar, Mahesh Jetmalani, Uday Holla, S.D. Sanjay. Appearing for the respondents were legends like Dushyant Dave, Senior Counsel, appearing for the Advocate General for the State of Telangana, and the Advocate General and Additional Advocate General for the State of Telangana. The official respondents of the state in all the writ petition, Gadi Praveen Kumar, Deputy Solicitor General for the Indian Union, appearing for the Union of India. Let's look at how all this started. An FIR number 455 or 2022 was registered for offences punishable under sections 120B and 171B, read with sections 171A and 34 of the Indian Penal Code and section 8 of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 in the file of the Station House Officer of Moinabad Police Station of the Cyberabad Police Commissionerate on a report dated 26/10/2022, lodged by the respondent number 8 in this case for the writ petition 39767 of 2022. The said report is as under. So I'm giving you a brief of what the report was all about. Pilot Rohit Reddy, the MLA representing Tandur Assembly Constituency of Vikarabad district of Telangana, informed the station house officer that on 26th of September 2022, one Ramachandra Bharati alias Satish Sharma, a native of Delhi, and one Nandakumar, a resident of Hyderabad, both of whom he claimed belonged to the BJP, met him and negotiated with him not to contest as a candidate of the TRS party and to join the BJP by resigning from the TRS. They offered him an amount of 100 crores for securing this arrangement, said Pilot Rohit Reddy. He also claimed that he was offered central government civil contract works and a high central government position for monetary benefits to be lured into joining the BJP. Rohit Reddy contended that the duo also stated that if he does not join the BJP, there will be criminal cases and raids by the Enforcement Directorate and CBI, and the Telangana government led by the TRS party will be toppled by them. Rohit Reddy says that he felt that the bribe by a political party was unethical, undemocratic, and encouraging corruption and polluting the political scenario. Don't start laughing. Rohit Reddy has a right to say what he wants to. After all, he came from the Congress to the TRS. So he says he decided not to entertain any such unethical practice by the above persons. Exactly a month later, on 26 October 2022, he claimed that the duo again contacted him and informed that they're coming in the afternoon hours to his farmhouse located in Aziz Nagar in Moinabad for negotiations. Rohit Reddy claimed that he was asked to mobilize a few other TRS MLAs and was also offered a bribe of 50 crores each to join the BJP. He also goes on to make claims that he and other MLAs were induced with a huge amount of money that would prevent the discharge of the public duties improperly and dishonestly, and that the Telangana government led by the TRS party would be destabilized. Rohit Reddy in his complaint claims the 3 persons, namely Ramchandra Bharati alias Satish Sharma of Delhi, Nanda Kumar of Hyderabad, and Simhaji Swami of Tirupati would come to his farmhouse to finalize the deal of resigning from the TRS party and joining the BJP. Naturally, it turns out that Rohit Reddy had asked the Cyberabad police to set up an electronic trap of what is called a sting operation. Whether that was legal or illegal is another question. Even before the Cyberabad police had arrived at the said farmhouse in Moinabad in the evening hours of 26th of October, a few Telugu news channels which publicly support the ruling TRS party ran a breathless live coverage of news of the 4 MLAs of the TRS party being lured to join the BJP, and discussions over the same was happening at the farmhouse in Moinabad. No prizes for guessing who tipped off the news channel reporters and the cameramen and enabled them to walk all over the evidence in the farmhouse. Who called these news channels to the farmhouse? Obviously, This will come out if the news channel editors are questioned by the CBI in the days to come. The news stories were spiced up every few minutes with more breaking news, and news channels which even showed bags in the cars in the farmhouse and claimed that it contained 100 crores in cash. The news channels did the usual drama of adding the masala and were soon giving out details of the alleged operation. In the late hours of the same day, that is the 26th of October, the respondent number 2, and naturally you can guess who that would be, along with Stephen Ravindra, the Commissioner of Police, Cyberabad, and Assistant Commissioner of Police, Rajendra Nagar Division, arrived at the farmhouse in Moinabad. They ordered a preliminary search and inquiry at the farmhouse. The Cyberabad police apprehended 3 persons allegedly to be workers of the BJP on the grounds that they were luring the 4 TRS MLAs to join the BJP. Strangely, the special investigating team all along claims that the BJP could not file a petition in the courts as they were not named in the case. Then how did Stephen Ravindra jump the gun and claim that they were BJP workers? Did an IPS officer of his stature not know the basics of briefing media about an ongoing investigation? The alleged case was messed up right from that point, and every step from there on involving people in trying to drum up the drama tried one story after another, tied themselves into knots. The main reason why the so-called Poachgate case will now be investigated by the CBI is because of a disaster of a press conference held by the Chief Minister of Telangana, K. Chandrasekhar Rao. An agitated KCR went ballistic, accusing everyone from Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP General Secretary and RSS pointsman B.L. Santosh of trying to bring down his government. KCR then went on to screen the videos of the sting operation that happened at the Moinabad farmhouse, audio clips, and also exhibited a few photographs of BJP leaders with some of the so-called accused. Looking back, this act of KCR, trying to make a mountain out of a molehill, backfired badly. Very badly if you ask me. The Telangana CM made things worse for himself by sending out all the evidence that he had in the case to Chief Justice of the Supreme Court and also Chief Justice of the Telangana High Court, editors of newspapers and news channels. Legally speaking, KCR could have been prosecuted for contempt of court for trying to influence the judiciary. So much so that senior counsel Dushyant Dave, who appeared for the Telangana government, apologized to Justice Bhuyan of the Telangana High Court for KCR's act of sending the evidence to the Chief Justice of India and other judges and said it should not have happened. That is, Chief Justice of the Telangana High Court, Bhuyan, was told, and Mr. Dushyant Dave actually apologized. As I pointed out in the video of Nationalist Hub just a day after this ill-fated press conference was held on 26th of October at the Pragati Bhavan, this singular act of KCR would result in the collapse of the so-called Poachgate. And it did happen that way because the press conference happened a couple of days after the 26th of October. In a series of episodes starting tomorrow, I will dissect the so-called Poachgate case and look at all the legal argument that happened before Justice Vijay Sen Reddy and why he ordered the case to be transferred to the CBI. And more importantly, what will happen once the CBI steps in. Keep watching. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Please subscribe to Nationalist Hub English channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to like and share this video. Nationalist Hub, it's a news revolution.